This is the struggle number 3. Switch ollie sex change nose gap. I'm either gonna land this or hurt myself, so let's figure out which one's gonna be. So many people are gonna be hating me right now, so I'm gonna be pushing Mongo.
Oh, almost on the first try. I got you in shot though. Sorry, Orion got my damn way.
When I landed it, really?
No, I got that. I mean, Orion got my damn way on the shot.
I'm gonna try to clean that up, make it a little better.
Almost. Almost.
I missed the grab. Damn it. I guess that's good enough. I'll clean it up at a later date.